Nah, ini enak. Deh. Santo paling gimana baru paling.
I request my dearest friend Chetan to please be available for the commentary. Oh, you're having snacks. Please enjoy the snacks. And there is an appeal for got behind. There was no movement from the umpire, but it was a great delivery. Sagar so far has bowled beautifully, restricted both the batsmen. He's doing exactly opposite what Warrior does. There were two fielders behind the ball, but somehow the ball managed to sneak through both the fielders, and Rajeshwar missed and did a misfielding. The ball hit his thigh and went way far, and it was a four. So far, before the last delivery, Sagar has bowled a beautiful over. However, the last ball kind of threw away.
पूरा पेस जल रहा है खा रहा है
After 1 over, the challenges are at 8 for 0.
We may not be able to hold the local people after 5 p.m. Requesting the team to set up the fielding very quickly and let's get on with the game. The next over. From Mayur right now.
कर ना कमेंट तेरे को मना कौन कर रहा है
And we have DJ Santo in the house. It was a very easy catch. However, Vishnu was not able to hold on. Every drop catch will put pressure on Tigers because this is a very crucial match for Tigers. And a waiver delivery went to the fine leg, brilliantly fielded. However, could not manage to grab. And it's a four. Since beginning, Rajeshwar has stuck to the leg side line. He managed to sneak in couple of them. However, this time, the batsman did not take any chance. Left it alone. It was a wide. Right on the stump. Tigers move on with the match. Remember, there will be 2 power plays. One first mandatory power play is done. The batting team yet have a batting power play. This match is for 5 overs. The first 2 overs are done. We still have 3 overs left. Requesting the Tigers not to take so much time in getting the field, and let's get on with the game. The entire onside is fixed, is jam-packed, and we know how the line and length of Shankar would be, looking at the field. And exactly, there is an opportunity. It costed 4 this time. It went outside the rope and it was a 6.
23 for 1.
And cricket has given another opportunity for him to redeem, and he did redeem himself by grabbing that ball. It was much difficult than the earlier one. He ran, he charged towards the ball, grabbed it. A very important catch. Shankar is bowling to Dharma. It was a short delivery, pretty wavered, gave lot of room for Dharma to play uppercut. He played over the 30-yard for a very easy. another ball, another short delivery, this time played on the onside. And an easy 2.
Inviting you for the prize.
से चार है
The team to have a very quick break. We do not have much time. I apologize for asking you and pushing you hard, but requesting all the team players not to take so much time and quickly get on with the match. Umpires requesting you to please start the match as quickly as possible. And umpire has signaled for a batting power play. Just to remind you, a bowler can bowl a maximum 2 overs. And this is a batting power play where the rule remains same. A maximum of three fielders can stand outside the 30-yard.
After 3 overs, challenges are at 35 for 2.
35 for 2 looks a pretty decent score. And a great job done by the photographer. She managed to click some amazing pictures of mine, so I'm thankful to you. Thank you so much. Although we would like you to stay a little longer here. So in the batting power play, Rajeshwar has come and taken the onus. The first ball bowled really well, gave only 1 run. Dharma is on strike.
36 for 2.
Right towards the wide line, played an unorthodox shot over the fine leg. Sagar. The score is 44.
40 for 3.
40 for 3. And Deepak Kadam has come to the crease. I suggested challenges to promote Deepak, but it backfired me only in my match. And it's a dot ball. Good bowling. A stumping. Not to be.
कल भी ये पहन के आओ, यही पहन के जीता था सबके।
42 for 3 after 3.5 overs.
Rahul could not judge to go, or the throw was at the striker end, but Deepak managed to cross the line pretty easy. And in the last over of the inning, run is 44 runs for the loss of 3 wickets, requesting Tigers to move on very quickly. A maximum of 2 overs are allowed. So Rajeshwar has already bowled the first 2 overs. It has to be the last, the 5th bowler. Dharma, hey, Manish. डायरेक्ट धावत गेला त्याला काय आला अंगात challenges. And there is a substitute just to keep the challengers informed. Faizan, who has been injured, and Faizan is out. And in place of Faizan, Prashant is in. Amir Katmani is bowling the last over, requesting Tigers to move on pretty quickly. It's the last, and we still have 1 inning to go. And another short ball. The ball is in the sky. The field. Ram was trying to judge, but it seems he could not judge because of the sun. He's blaming the sun. A top edge, Ram tried his level best, and we understand with the sun it is difficult to spot the ball, and exactly that has happened. It is not completely his fault, but he gave it all, and at the end he could not hold the ball.
51 for 3.
Another great shot by Deepak.
With this 4, the challenges are at 55 for 3. Still 3 balls are left.
And at the end of the inning, the score has moved to 57. Requesting challengers to quickly take the field. Challengers you can discuss and have the conference a little later. We'll tell you the score. We'll tell you the score.
58.
Quickly take the field.
58.
The score is 58. And challengers need to defend the score of 58. Tigers need 59. And in order to stay in the tournament, the Tigers have to win the match. Or else it becomes very easy for the remaining 4 teams to get the auto qualification. Challengers, take the field quickly, challengers. Dharma and Balaji, please ensure that we should finish the match in the next 20 minutes. We do not have much time. You guys have taken so much time. They were ready like 5 minutes back. निकल ही नहीं रहे हैं। हाँ, मतलब फेविकॉल मैं देख रहा यहाँ से सागर खींच रहा है, तू खींच रहा है, मतलब फेविकॉल का जोड़ है, निकल ही नहीं रहा है। Okay, let's get on with the match. The field is set. The bowler is ready. The bowler is ready. And let's begin the chase. Dharma to Sagar. And it looked a half sweep, a half drive. But he managed to get 1 run. Shankar is on strike. Dharma is bowling the second ball of the over. Shankar came charging down the wicket, played a beautiful shot towards the mid wicket, and a 4. The first 2 delivery, a single and a 4. And there is a change in the field, a pretty long chase. It's a nice cardio for the players. Shankar is known for manipulating field. Let's see what he does. And it's a full toss. Deep fine leg. And umpire. Down the DJ Santo. And a wide delivery. And it's a lofted drive. Right in the middle. Abhishek is chasing the ball. A quick throw. And restricted the batsman only to do
12 for 0.
And exactly what has happened. There is a change in the field. But this time the fielder does really well. And a little wayward throw. Shankar managed to get the second run. And the score moved on to 14 runs for the loss of no wicket. Play towards the point. After the first mandatory power play, Tigers have managed to score 15 runs. Let's quickly get on with the bowler. Now the field restrictions are done. A maximum of 5 fielders can stand outside 30 yard. Whatever is the decision has to be very quickly. Team challenges. Let's get on with the game. Now 5 fielders can stand outside the 30 yard. The field restrictions are over. After first over, the Tigers are for 15 run. And to win, they need 44 runs from 24 balls. I don't know how to even introduce this shot. It's a sweep or a flick or a sweep flick shot. And he managed to score 2 runs. Shankar is playing shots that is out of the cricket book. Step down towards the wicket. Tried to lift the ball. However, there was an opportunity for a run out. Shankar was not ready for the second run. But Sagar yelled and screamed at Shankar, forced him to take the second run. So far Dharma has bowled really well. So far Deepak has bowled really well. Is not giving any opportunity for Shankar to free his hand. And a wide, an extra run. Misfield from the keeper. Gave an opportunity for the batting team to sneak a single. These extras cost a lot. A short ball, pulled it. The mid wicket could not reach the ball.
After 1.3 deliveries, the Tigers are at a total of 22 for no loss.
मैंने क्या किए मेरे साइज का मिलेगा ना बोला गेला गेला आहे झालं
It's the last ball. It is in the air. Pratik was under the ball, but he could not grab. Asking for water. Please go if you want to go. Go quickly. Bring the water quickly. Okay, let's move on with the game quickly. Ideally, this should have been after 3 overs, but ensure Tigers, no more refreshments.
After 2 overs, the Tigers are standing at a total of 33 runs.
Now Tigers need only 26 runs from 18 balls. There is a good opportunity to make up for all the net run rate that the Tigers have lost in the previous match. If they manage to score these runs in the next 2 overs, it will give a significant boost to the net run rate of Tigers, and the table will be wide open. How interesting it will be. But I'm sure challengers are yet to give up on the match. Still, there is an opportunity for both the team to win. And the 2 points are very crucial either to Tiger or the challengers. And Balaji, the first ball, went straight to the mid wicket. And 1 run scored by Sagar. Most of the scoring has been done by Shankar. He's playing exactly opposite of what he has played in the last inning. Balaji to Shankar, a brilliant late cut. And it went for a 4. सैंटो के लास्ट चीज में ना पूरा मजा किरकिरा हो गया. द डीजे, इट शुड हैव बीन अ कंप्लीट कोरस. A great shot, a great late cut by Shankar, an effortless shot, no need to run, and he managed to get a 4. Abhishek is under the ball. And he managed to grab. Shankar is out, who has done the bulk of the scoring so far for Tigers. And the icon player from the Tigers is taking एग्री आग तो लगी है. अब we need to see कि कौन जलेगा, the team Tigers or the team Challengers. It is so sensible. If you are not able to slog, you play sensibly. Feel the wicket, be on the wicket, place, run, change the strike. That's what exactly Ram has done. He knows that the match is there in their grip. It just need a sensible head.
$39 for the loss of one
A
wicket.
good ball from Balaji.
बॉल कितना हुआ है?
It's the last ball of the over. One more ball to go. So far, Balaji has bowled brilliantly, has taken a wicket and gave away only 6 runs, where other bowlers are giving plenty. You know, right from here, I can give this out as LPW. If he has not touched and it's a leg by, right from here I can give out, but we do not have LPW. It was a great Yorker, which Sagar didn't have any answer to it. All he could do is put his body in the line and ensure that the ball doesn't crash the stumps. He did exactly that, stood in front of the stumps, took it on his body, ran a leg by.
अरे बचने देना वो चिकनी की. अरे सैंटो
19 of 12. So this game comes down to the last 12 balls, 19 runs needed. Sagar and Ramchandra batting.
दोनों ओवर है. दोनों ओवर दादा. फक्त 2 ओवर दादा.
Guys, let's get on quickly. Guys, we are done with the time. We have requested a lot of people here. काफी लोगों से हमने request किया है कि वो hold करें. हमारे पास ज़्यादा समय नहीं है.
17 of 11. Let's get on, people.
A good shot, but it hit his own fielder. I think Ram has taken the shot where ideally we don't want the ball to get hit. Quickly, team, quickly, somebody go and assess him and check quickly. Let's get on with the game. We do not have much time. Let's get on with the game. Physio, please assess.
runs of 9 balls. 14, come on. Shot. And stopped.
A great fielding by Abhishek.
Oja.
He ran and he held on to the ball. It was a crucial fielding. Had he missed
What?
4 balls, 2 balls to go.
No ball, free hit.
A no ball and a free hit.
Come on, let's get the bowler back in. Come on. Kitna? 11 runs needed, 8 balls, free hit. Beautifully hit. It's an open space. Can the fielder cover up? And that's...
It was a misfield from Deepak, but it didn't cost the team 2 extra runs because he was very close to the boundary line. Had he not recovered from it and they would have scored 2 more runs, would have been...
Last ball of this over, 9 runs needed.
Ram stepped out and a good shot. Abhishek
Oja in
is...
action again. Does well. Oh no! That's a boundary.
This is exactly what we were talking about. It's
All
the
right,
last-
last over. 6 balls, 5 runs needed to win.
It's the last over of
Power play.
Smolan Premier League 2024-25 Day 2. And Tigers need...
Power play.
It's a power play.
Only 3 players outside. They need 5 runs of 6 balls. Dharma, there's a ball on this field. Could you please toss it back outside the field, please? Thank you. All right, guys. The last over is going to be bowled by Balaji. He needs to defend 4 runs. 5 to win. 4 is to equal them.
So Tiger needs 5 runs, 4 for a tie. Are we seeing a third tie for the first time in SPL?
Cut towards the fielder. They take single. Oh no! Overthrow.
Balaji could not stop the ball.
3 runs. 3 runs of 5 balls. 3 runs of 5 balls now. The dog in the field seems also excited. And played on the onside single. 2 needed. 2 needed of 4 balls. Two runs needed of 4 deliveries. And it's played on the on. There's a fielder, but they only said equal. The runs have been equaled. 1 to win of 3 deliveries. 1 to win.
I think if this ball is a dot, then we will have an exciting
Then
end.
we'll have 2 more deliveries to play.
But it adds a pressure. Every dot ball does add a pressure.
And that's the winning runs. The Tigers have won this game.